Copper possesses antimicrobial properties, which means it can kill or inactivate a variety of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The exact mechanism by which copper exerts its antimicrobial effect is not fully understood, but it is thought to involve the following. 1. Disruption of cell membranes. Copper ions can disrupt the cell membranes of microorganisms, leading to leakage of essential cellular nutrients and eventual cell death. 2. Protein denaturation. Copper can also bind to proteins in the microorganisms, causing them to denature, lose their natural structure. This can inhibit the function of these proteins, which can be critical for the survival of the microbes. 3. DNA damage. Copper ions can interfere with the DNA of microorganisms, causing damage that can inhibit replication and lead to cell death. 4. Generation of reactive oxygen species, ROS. Copper can catalyze the formation of reactive oxygen species, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells, leading to the death of microorganisms. Copper's efficacy as an antimicrobial surface is well documented, and it has been shown to kill or reduce the following: bacteria, including E. coli, Listeria monocytogenes, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, and Salmonella enterica viruses, including noroviruses and even enveloped viruses like influenza A and coronaviruses, such as the one responsible for COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2, though the extent of effectiveness can depend on the conditions fungi, such as Candida albicans. The rate at which copper can kill these microorganisms can vary depending on factors such as the temperature, humidity, and the specific strain of microorganism. Some organisms are killed within minutes of contact with copper, while others may take a few hours. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA in the United States has registered copper as an antimicrobial material, and copper alloys with a minimum of 60% copper content are recognized for their antimicrobial properties. Copper surfaces are now increasingly used in healthcare settings, on touch surfaces like doorknobs, bed rails, and countertops, to reduce the spread of infection. However, while copper surfaces can reduce the burden of microbes, they are not a substitute for good hygiene practices and regular cleaning, particularly in hospital environments where the risk of infection is high.